Now we're going to learn about the quotient of powers. So quotient of powers property. So basically, how do you divide two powers that have the same base? I'm going to give you a numerical example. Let's look at 3 to the power of, say, 6, and you divide it by 3 to the power of 4. So we know that 3 to the power of 6 would be 3 times itself, 6 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and you divide it by 3 to the power of 4, which is 3 times itself 4 times. And we know that we can simplify this fraction on the right by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So 3 divided by 3, you get 1. Okay, and then 3 divided by 3, you get 1. 3 divided by 3, you get 1. 3 divided by 3, you get 1. And so you end up with just 2 3s here. So that would be 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so another example. So if you have b to the power of, say, 5, and you divide by b to the power of 7, so you're gonna end up with, so let's see, b times b times b times b times b 5 times divided by b times maybe 7 times, yes, 7 times, so 5 times 6 times 7. So now you could see that the power of the base and the denominator is bigger, so same thing, you're gonna divide them out. So you're gonna end up with, now this is going to be a 1 in the numerator, so it's going to be 1 over, there are 2, b here is 1 over b squared. So you could see from here that there is some rule that we are looking at right now. So if you have 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 4, you end up with 3 squared. Okay, and if you have 5 to the power of 7, sorry, b to the power of 5 divided by b to the power of 7, you have 1 over b squared. So this, alright, if could you see that 2 is determined by 6 minus 4, and here for the second example, this 2 is determined by 7 minus 5. So now I would like you to pause and think about what is a possible property that you can come up with for quotient of powers. Good. So if you have b to the power of m divided by b to the power of n, so you are essentially gonna subtract the two powers. Okay, that is if m is greater than n. If the power for the denominator is bigger, so you can actually do this. So b divided by n, b to the power m divided by b to the power n. If m is less than n, all you can do is just put 1 over b to the power of n minus n. Okay, that ends my lesson now. Bye.